All right. So now we have seen how to use this NVM and what is the use of NVM, how to install the NVM, okay, and how to install the node using the NVM. Okay. So next step, what we will do, we will create the React app, okay, by using this NVM node. Okay. So if you want to check how to install this NVM and how to install the node using the NVM, I will suggest you to go through my previous video. I will add the link to the description, so it will be good if you go through that video and later on you come to this video. It will be easy to understand. Okay, so now let's check what is the version of node install on my machine first. Okay, so for that one we can use the command nvm current. So here we can see the node 21.4.0, that is the uh, recent version or current version installed on my machine. Okay, now what I want to create the React app on React project. Okay, so there is a command that is npx. Okay, so this is the npx kind of command which comes with the npm 5 or greater version kind of thing. Okay, so this npx command will help us to create the orchestrated project kind of things. One small project it will create for us by using the command, so we need not to worry to create a project, and it's like a it will create all the basic files required for our project. And once we create the project by using this command, then you can build your project on top of that one. Okay, so that command is nothing but you can see this is the one, npx create react app. Okay, so npx space create react app. Okay, this is the actually the command create hyphen react hyphen app. Okay, after that one whatever the name you want to give, that we can give here. Okay, so what I will give, I will give the name as a react demo. Okay, so just to create the react project, you just navigate to the folders where you want to create the project. Okay, after that on that directory kind of, so currently you can see I am in like a yep drive techie developer slash tutorial slash react. Okay, inside that one what I want to create the project which have the name react demo. Okay, so this is the command. Okay, so once you hit this enter, okay, it will install this one. Okay, and after that one it will create the project with the name react demo. Okay, so here you can see creating the new react app, and whatever the like directory currently I am, so there it will create the project. Okay, so first what I did, I installed the nvm, then by using the nvm I installed the node, and by using that one I am creating the react app. So it will take some time. Okay, all right, so here you can see the project is created. Okay, and if you see this one, these are the commands which has given by this project. Okay, so before that one I will show the where actually I have created that project. So here you can see. Okay, so this is the directory where I have hit that one. Okay, and this is the project which is created by this npx command. Okay, so this is the basic project structured created by this npx. Okay, so now to run this one, okay, what I need to do, I need to go to this directory and I have to hit the command npm start. Okay, so what I will do, I will go there, then I will navigate inside this one project. Okay, cd react demo. Okay, then npm start. Okay, so it will create sorry, it will download, it has already downloaded all the dependencies when we create the npx. Okay, now what it will do, it will run our development server, and we can see the output on the browser. Okay, so if you are doing for the first time, it will take some time for to run this one. So here it is, you can see it is compiled successfully, and it has given like now you can view the React demo in the browser. And this is the default URL, localhost colon 3000. This is the by default port for the React project. Okay, so if you go to this browser and hit this one URL, localhost colon 3000. Okay, so here you can see the project is running and we are getting the default page, that is the page we get, okay, along with the React project whenever we create the project with this npx command. Okay, so this is the one default page we get. Okay, so now this is the one which we have created using the React npx project. On top of, now you can edit and you can build your project. Okay, so this is the one way where we can create a React project by using the nvm. Okay, so going forward, in next video I will explain the detailed structure of this one. Okay, so to that one, please see my video series on the React. Thank you.